This is definitely the number one stock of the past month. This is up 88% with a $2 billion investment from NVIDIA, already up, 15% today after 92% last month. Every month and really every week I go through what I call the monthly liquid all-stars, and these are stocks that trade at least 1 million shares a day. And then I rank them by the biggest gainers of the month, because oftentimes these stocks go on month after month to be the leaders for several months. And Intel's number 5 on the list for April. It was up 129%. And we're going to focus on monthly charts here so we can see the big picture. And interestingly enough, Intel finally broke through those 1999, 2000 highs. I don't know if Don's charts will go back that far, but it took Intel to finally overcome those highs. And this is pretty much the leading semiconductor stock in this rally right now. There was one that beat Intel, and that is MXL this past month. That's Max Linear. This was a massive re-rating, up over 300%. Totally caught Wall Street off guard. Massive earnings, and now a huge shift into their Keystone Optical data center interconnect business, which is growing at 130% a year. This is not even at the 2021 highs. So again, you want to focus on these, not necessarily buy them right here, right now. Let them set up on their daily or weekly charts. But this is definitely the number one stock of the past month. Intel was number 5. Number 6 was Credo, up 98% this month. Credo bought Dus Photonics, which put them in the optical photonics space. It allows them to vertically integrate across the whole stack now, from copper to optics. This was a big leader last year, failed as the optical area took over as the main driver for networking, and now Credo has that integrated in their vertical stack. So this is one that GROTECTION is in right now as well. Number 8, AAOI, up 93% last month. And you can see this is several months now in the rally phase after it just had a massive earnings breakout. We talked about this on the show several weeks back, and you can see why we focus on these, because they continue month after month, and now this is making a new high today. Already up, 15% today after 92% last month. And finally, number 10 on the list is Marvell, MRVL, up 88% last month. Another one of the leading semiconductor stocks. Broke out before the follow-through day that we had this month. Led the charge along with Intel. Intel and MRVL were the first 2 stocks to break out. And this is up 88% with a $2 billion investment from NVIDIA, custom chip orders from Google. They're working in optical and photonics. So that is certainly the theme here this month. So just wanted to go over it. The couple I didn't mention here, just because they're extended and or too many names, Bloom Energy and SanDisk and A-Lab were the other ones on the list. So that's the top 10. That's it.
Toddzilla, fantastic. And if you're not checking out Todd's weekend walkthrough, I advise that you put it on your calendar to do it. That is the best way to review what happened in the past week, and Todd's leaders list will have you ready for next week.